and nails and basic upkeep is not tricky. So
Hey, dude.
Hey, dude.
Hey, dude.
Hey, dude.
Hey, dude. Did you try the Hey Dudes? Have you tried the Hey Dudes?
Try the Hey Dudes?
go ahead and understand that. Y'all little niggas be like, man, I got a nail to the curl. I got that's regular shit, man. You supposed to do that. If you want some ass, you supposed to do that. What? Let y'all know.
Okay.
Yeah,
What you mean? What? Y'all know what the fuck to do? What?
What if they don't?
They do, bro.
They always do.
Every time.
You think like every guy that you're friends with wants something like that?
At least some head.
course.
He at least wants some head.
What?
He might not want to get busy with you, but he wants some head at some point.
Well,
If you try it.
Well, I have a question. Do you eat ass?
No.
So what if you spend and like, what if you go take her out and you spend all this money on her and she's like, I'm not looking for that. I'm not trying to fuck. But you know your homeboy fuck.
Yeah, refund.
what's the homeboy gotta do with you?
That's when you get a refund.
Hold on.
Call your
I
bank.
need y'all's
Call
attention.
your bank.
I need y'all's attention for real. That's a good point, but you just probably ain't that guy.
But do you out your homeboy like you fucked my homeboy? Like I need a hit?
No, because now that's dirty Mac and that's not people.
Give me.
And we keeping it capital P at all times.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
Okay, so we're moving on next. Methodology. Now the weight tricking has been happening since the beginning of time. It's date back to ancient Egypt and ancient Rome. King Tut, the almighty Zeus, and the biggest trick of all time, Mansa Musa. I want y'all to write down Mansa Musa.
Mansa Musa.
Write it down in your phone notes.
How you spell that shit?
Tricking is decoded in our DNA. Mansa Musa is how you sound it
Wait,
out.
that's the biggest shit
Masa
ever done.
Musa.
Yeah, of all time.
Mansa
He
Musa.
used to buy any girl that he liked a little bit. He would buy land mass like states. You know what I'm saying? Fuck getting you a person. You want Asian?
Ooh,
Oh, I like
I
that.
want that.
Think God was gonna do that for you?
Yeah. You want Asian?
Fuck no.
Next up, theory. The theory of tricking all comes from one source. And this is not what I think. This has come from scientists and theologians all over the world. Top theology. Have a seat. I don't want to hear nothing.
Okay, sorry.
The beauty scale, as y'all know, beauty is subjective. Yeah, wait on your question. Beauty is subjective. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. What you may think is a 2, I may think is 8. You get what I'm saying? And if we start on the line, 1 through 10 is what somebody can be, and we don't use 7 because it's the safe number. Every girl want to be, I'm a 7. We don't use 7. Either you fine or you ain't.
Okay.
6
I'm a 10.
is a little bit above average. Come in, have a seat with that damn shower cap on. 5. Brooke, what is 5?
5 is basically like
Average.
Mid.
Average. ABG. Stop talking to my class. Have a seat, please. Respect my class. Average. So now, unfortunately, ladies, 1 through 5, your ass gotta go to work. I'm saying real shit. 1 through 5 gotta go to work. Now there are some rare cases where a nigga dip down here because his self-esteem low and grab him a 2 or 3. And that's okay. A 2 or 3 works. Because them motherfuckers is good people.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying? But now, once you get up to the 8s and through the 10s, these motherfuckers is the ones that's getting all tricked on. You see what I'm saying?
So,
Mr. Teacher,
Oh, wait,
Teacher.
Mr.
I just got
Hold
here.
on,
What
don't
did I
make it
miss?
loud. What's up, bro?
What did I miss?
Nigga, pay attention. You just walk
Mr.
in.
Ben though, Mr. Ben. So say you're a 1 through 5, right?
Yeah.
Is it fucked up for you for life? How do you get to an 8 to 10?
You gotta go to work, and now it's financial.
Uh-huh.
So usually these is, like, we won't say ugly, but they just not lookers.
Yeah.
And if you're not looking, take your ass to work and become something to make yourself more attractive. You might, if you're a 2 or 3, you might can get to a 6.
Okay.
An adjustable 6. What, bro?
I've never got tricked on before, so about one of those.
All right, which moves me into my next topic, which is how to extract the money out the.
Yes. I need that.
They gotta have it. They ain't got it. But no, but ladies, you gotta know how to get it and who you're talking to. You get what I'm saying? All right, hold on. First, why is we having side conversations?
Mr. Rain, Mr. Rain.
God damn.
Mr. Rain.
What?
I have a question.
Talk.
Is there different varieties, como dicen, to tricking? Like, if I know Kaisena, can that be a method of me tricking?
Glazing?
No, like, if I want to get the leverage, right? And I say, I know Kaisena, technically that's tricking.
No, that's glazing and dick riding. I don't want y'all to confuse dick riding with tricking. That don't got shit to do with nothing.
What you mean? Maybe she let me.
Stand next to a nigga, you dick riding. Just because you standing next
No,
to him.
that's completely different than what my man just said.
Okay, so what?
Exactly, bro. All right.
What if she let me fuck because I know you?
So look,
What?
please come in and have
Girls
some.
are like, they want to get around. So they're gonna let me fuck because I
But
know.
what if you hit some shit and you don't pay? Is that like, did you go against the?
No, she's just not interested in the tricking aspect, and that's fine.
That pussy just
what the
free.
fuck Raquel, what are you doing? Go sit down, gang. Like, what are you doing? Why don't y'all take this serious? Go sit down, gang. You ain't tricking on shit. Y'all nigga over here farting and shit. Bro, you in trouble, man.
Somebody in my chat said, Ben dressed like a lesbian. That's dead ass wrong.
Somebody in my chat said you always look scared.
Scared?
Yeah, like you.
Tell them come try me.
What you gonna do about it?
All right, this is the most important lesson of the day. The bitch tactic. I want everybody to say the bitch tactic.
Bitch tactic.
And it's not bitch,
You
B-I-T-C-H.
skipped the part. You didn't tell him how to extract the money.
Hold on, I'm getting into it. Goddamn, I'm the professor, nigga. God damn. The bitch tactic. BSH. Listen. Why is everybody talking? God damn. Bait. The B stands for bait. The S stands for sink. And the H stands for hook. Ladies, that is how you get your trick.
Ooh.
No, I need y'all to understand. The bitch tactic is what they've been using since the beginning of time. And I'm going to give you an example.
Now the real question is.
Hold on, little head. I'm in the middle of a lesson. Don't cut me out. Don't cut me out. Goddamn, Mr. Bean looking ass nigga. Bitch tactic. Here is an example. Oh, babe, my car broke down. Life been lifing. She wants you to be like, how much do it cost to fix? She's sending out the bait. She's waiting on it in the sink, and she ready to hook your ass as soon as you say, yeah, I'm gonna pay for it. You say, you gotta relax. You done been bait sick, cause you done been bitched a few times. So the bitch tactic is what they've been using since the beginning of time. I'm gonna have two students come up to the front, a male and a female. All right, come on, Deshae. We're gonna do this a few times.
Hey, yo. What about, wait. What about if she a hooper and she likes she a doctor?
That's a completely different thing. We talking about us. What did you like? What you got going today?
I'm saying.
I died.
You confused, ain't you?
It's standing in the way. Hey,
All right.
cameraman.
Why y'all saying y'all wasn't making no real. Ray, where you going?
I'm getting a big angle. You feel me? Like I try to listen.
No, I want you to sit over here, man. You cause too much fucking problem. Your neck long.
You got no neck.
Good one. All right. So you the lady, and you gonna use the bitch tactic on the shake, and you gonna tell me if you accepting the trick or how you gonna curve it. Okay. Now, the art of curving the bitch tactic is where the fellas come in. So if she tell you to complain like, oh, my nails and my hair cost so much, you can be like, damn, you the one with all the money. No, he ain't gonna be able to use that. You gotta get more creative. You get what I'm saying? So go ahead. How would you extract money out of this brother, and how would you counter? I need y'all to pay attention, y'all. Hey, bro, yeah, we need y'all to step to the side so everybody can see. Y'all step up. And can y'all raise your voices? Y'all are weird as fuck with y'all backpacks on. Lola, you late. I'm gonna need you to stay after class. I'm gonna have to talk to you.
Hey, yo.
Oh my god.
Go ahead.
Hey, yo.
Step up, step up, step up.
She's gonna use this like.
Okay. Hey. Not so good right now.
I can't see.
No, I pay all my bills. Like I need a little.
Ain't nowhere else to stand. Now that's the B. That's the bait.
Okay.
Now she waiting on your response. That's the S. It's sinking. It's just sitting there waiting. Is you gonna get hooked? Is you gonna count it? Oh shit. So he brought out that pay.
So do I give it to her?
It just depends on how much does it cost for your bills.
A real trick don't ask you something.
$250?
Oh.
Are you homeless?
Oh.
It's a broke bitch tactic.
I mean, if she's poor, that works.
It's the broke bitch.
If she's poor, that works.
We're improving.
No, if that was you supposed to say them ones.
Yeah,
You say what the hell you would say.
yeah, that's what.
Okay, all right, run it again.
Are you agreeing?
I'm gonna try something different.
Run it again. I need everybody to actually like listen.
All right.
I'm trying to get through this.
So what happened?
I pay for all my bills.
Really?
Yeah,
Damn.
it gets tough.
Really? Oh, it's only the fourth.
What does that mean?
You pay bills on the first, like, you have your mom?
No, it's not. It's 24th.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
All right, how will you get? He's
your nigga?
now he's prolonging. He's what we call a fake trick at this point. How would you?
He's
how-
a fake trick?
Yeah, at this point, how would you get money out of him? Or are you gonna say fuck him?
Wait, I got some money. Hold on.
Yo, thank you for the gifted
How much is your
sub.
bills?
How much your bills is?
Thank you, Sean DTX2. Clock it, boo.
Yeah. Phone bill. I don't think that's
Yo, thank you for the other sub to the other person. 2 people sub. Thank you. Love y'all.
No, you lost, bro.
I lost.
Yeah, you lost. That's why your homie hit and you did.
Oh.
Thank you. Y'all give it up to them. Give it up to them.
What woman would turn down money?
Those are ones.
It doesn't matter.
Them girls not going to play. Hey, can you go have a seat? Can you go have a seat? Bro, go have a seat. You late and you interrupted my class. Please go sit down.
Messed up. She
Hi, everybody.
$500,000.
I have a question, y'all. I got a question.
All right.
Now she got no.
So listen. So a tactic that Deshae could have used is one where you sympathize with it. If you know you're not finna come up off no bread, you sympathize with it. Oh, my car fucked up and my bills, I'm behind on my bills. Dang, oh my God, babe, I hate that God is with you and he is testing you. He is testing you. And once you bring God into it, she can't really say too much. She gotta go answer another nigga. Fellas, it's a thin line between being a soft life princess that's spoiled and a begging asshole. Y'all gotta learn the difference. Please learn the difference. Can I get two more contestants? You've been talking the whole damn class. You're not even sitting in a seat. I don't like that. Come on. Lola, come here. How you doing? I'm not putting you on the spot. I need everybody to listen up. Hey, Africa, can we get your attention, gang? I know you're better than everybody here. I just want you to pay attention.
Yo, thank you, Sean, for the 500 bits. Thank you.
So, if you're trying to extract money...
Thank you, Sean. Love you. Love you so much.
How would you go about it, and how would you count it? Again. Huh?
Starting with him.
Yeah, you start with you. You got a problem, he needs to solve it, and you need a nigga to take care of it. How you gonna get it done?
Wait, what's your name again? Okay, Shaq.
Speak up.
I would be like, Shaq, I've been stressing, like, I've really been feeling down, like, I just need help. With, like, my bills and, like, my car note, like.
What's today's date?
I've been paying so much for school and, like, I know, but there's a lot of stuff on my mind right now, and I feel like I need someone to just help me out, like.
Okay, so you said what? Bills and car note, what else?
My bills, my car note. My books.
Now, ladies, you taking too long. Usually the big niggas is tricking. That's
Right.
not the thing, but he's countering.
Thank you, Amari, for the sub. W sub Amari, period.
All right, well, let me go.
Love you.
Continue, but you don't take too long because there's other niggas who will pay.
Clock it.
Like, they'll give it to you. Some niggas out here that'll give it to you.
That's what I would say. Say something. What would you say?
I got something for you. If you make my life easy, I'll make your life easy. If I hear that, you don't cash out.
Sneak peek.
No, I'm just saying.
That's what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Exactly. I'm a soft girly. I don't do that.
Speak up.
I said I'm a soft girly.
You're a soft girly?
Yeah.
Yeah, you ain't gonna get no
I
bread.
will get my bread.
How?
So I know how she.
Yeah. I just asked.
For real? Well, straightforward works too. That ain't no excitement in that.
Bro, I know fucking shy.
It works.
Go ahead. Is that it? So you didn't get no money out of him?
Who else do I have?
No, it's over. He wasn't going no way. Go have a seat. Let's get it. Yeah, I need a. Can I get you up there, love?
I wanna go again.
I want to be the guy.
You wanna be the guy? All right, Snowflake, you be the guy. Come up here.
Sir.
Come on, she's not even a guy.
Okay, too bad. A huevo.
Yo, stop saying that shit. You always say I'm a huevo. That's fucking huevo. You're not even a guy. I mean, you can
Hey,
find.
keep in mind the number scale. 1 through 5, your ass probably gonna have to work.
Oh my God! Wait a minute.
Where's this list?
That was fucked up.
Hey, what's going on? Why is you loud?
That was fucked up.
Bro, you too big. You fall on the damn floor like that. Hey, you can step out if you want to, because I'm trying to finish this class.
Basically, you're a funny guy.